This is known as frame grip. It is made up of stainless steel, so it cannot get rust that easily, and after using it you can wash with water. This is how it's used. Let's assume this is the beehive. So you have to hold it like that, then you grip the frame like that, then you uplift it like this, assuming that you have already used the hive tool to separate this side and the other side, and here in between the frames. Now this is the last part. You are supposed to use it to lift like this.